Hi guys, big fan of the hair dry brushes now, because it just dry my hair in no time. And if you have long hair or hair extension like I do, you know that sometimes take a long time to dry this whole hair. So with this brush I actually achieved this beautiful and sleek look in no time. In around 10 minutes or so I was able to dry the whole hair and get this sleek, beautiful, shiny look. I did a little video unboxing the hair dryer so you guys can see how it comes in the box and all the little things, and show you guys all the settings. So before we get into try this beauty, I'm going to swirl cable here, and you have the air vent here where the air comes out. Design is super beautiful. This gold and white is super sleek, super chic. It's a very beautiful tool. So the brush comes very well packed, come with this cute little pink bowl here, which is very thoughtful. Ooh, the brush, it is beautiful. I have like this beautiful kind of, I don't know if it's gold or rose gold, it looks more like a rose gold finish and white. The handle, it's very nice, give you a very good grip. The cord, it comes with a really nice long cord, and it does come with this velcro thing here that you can actually store your tool without tangling mess with the wire. And you guys can see that the cable is swivel, so it's easy for you to maneuver your brush without the wire being in your way. So there is the brush, very nice. You have the big ceramic bristles, you have the anti-tangle bristles here, you have the air vent here. Okay, you have here the settings. You have hot, you have cool, hot, and plus hot and off button. So you pretty much have two heat settings. You have lower heat and higher heat. You know, if somebody doesn't like to put a lot of heat on your hair, you go to the lower hot. Alright, these look pretty cool, and you have the air vent here where your air probably filters through. Alright, so let me plug this in so we can start it. So the first thing, I'm gonna put the beautiful brush down from Plavogue, and then I'm going to part my hair so I can get into this video and put this brush the test. And I am used to these brushes, and they actually do an amazing job. Right guys, so I have my hair part all out of the way. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of heat protector to heat defensor to my hair, and I'm gonna go adding by section as I go. So I'm gonna show you guys the heat setting here, and then after that I'm going to put music on so you guys don't have to hear all the noise as I dry my hair, but you're gonna see what I'm doing. So here you have cool air. You have here the medium heat, the medium heat and set, and here you have hot. This is the one I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the highest setting since I have, you know, the hair extension, the hair is long, so it's easier for me to dry with the higher settings. Very impressed. Just a few passes and one section is already sleek and pretty. It would take me half an hour to get my hair done normally, but with this brush it just takes me like less than 10 minutes. So in no time, in less than 5 minutes, I dried the whole side of my hair. So now I'm gonna work on this side here, but the brush works beautifully, performs amazing. Really loving this brush. So one thing that I love about this brush is the ability that I have to work in a big section of hair without have to go one little section at a time. And that's all. In around 12 minutes more or less, I went to dry my hair. Normally with this long hair extension I had to blow dry it and then flat iron the whole hair, but you guys can see how the hair looks beautiful, shiny and slick, and I do not need flat iron or curly iron. So this is all for this video. You guys saw how the brush works amazing, how dry the hair and straight at the same time. Or if you actually want like a little wave on the ends of the hair, you can just use the curl and just sit there for a little bit and undo carefully. But I want my hair straight because I need straight for another video that I'm going to film. So yeah, it was really easy to use. It works amazing. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this beautiful brush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up.